जो आज हम पढ़ेंगे डाइलेक्ट्रिक्स का एक मेजर टॉपिक दैट इज डाइपोल। ओके, देखिए सबसे पहले समझिए डाइपोल होता क्या है। आप लोगों ने जूनियर क्लासों में अपना इंसुलेटर एंड कंडक्टर्स पढ़े होंगे, ठीक है।
यस सर।
कंडक्टर्स क्या होते हैं बेटा? विच हैव फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन एक्सेस अमाउंट। एंड व्हाट आर इंसुलेटर्स? इंसुलेटर्स आर दोज ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच हैव free electrons inside their bulk in the volume. But there is one kind of special dielectrics which are in between insulator and conductors. What are dielectrics? Dielectrics have property both mix up properties of conductor and properties of insulators. But the very precious property of dielectric is that whenever you place your dielectric in any uniform electric field, then electric field will separate the charges of the dielectric. Okay, now how it is work? Let's have a close look. Suppose this is my dielectric and it is placed inside a uniform electric field. Okay, this is uniform electric field pointing in rightward direction.
Okay sir.
As we all know that electric field attracts or give a force to the positive charges along its own direction, and the negative charges have direction in the anti-parallel direction of electric field. So how it will work? Here all negative charges will be accumulated and here all positive charges will be accumulated due to this uniform electric field. One thing that is to be kept in mind is that electric field should be uniform, otherwise this thing will not happen. Okay, so what will happen? This side will have only negative charge and this side of dielectric will have positive charge. If we take out this dielectric from the uniform electric field, then this will be shown. And if we replace this whole negative charge by only one negative, this will happen. Here in uniform electric field, the type of two charges are being separated. One side having negative charge and other side having positive charge only. So this is the separation of charges. And in which type of material it is happened? In dielectrics. Okay? Okay. So here we have found two type of charges, and in the term dipole itself says that di plus pole. Pole means polarity of charge. Di means two charges. So whenever you have any combination of two charges, the condition is that the charges should be of same magnitude but having the opposite polarity. Then dipole is being formed.
Okay sir.
So this is dipole. This is dipole. Okay? Listen. Suppose this is my negative charge and this is my positive charge. These are being kept at a distance 2a, where 2a is the center to center distance between two positive or negative charges. Okay? This combination is known as electric dipole. Dipoles are of two types: electric dipole and magnetic dipole. Here we are studying electric field, that's why this dipole will be electric dipoles. Okay? Now what will happen? Next term that we are going to study is dipole strength. Dipole strength or dipole moment. This is our next topic. The dipole which you have formed with the help of uniform electric field, how strong this dipole is, how strong its strength will be, that is given by dipole moment. Okay? And mathematically dipole moment is given by, it is represented by symbol P, it is a vector quantity, and it is given by the product of either charge, magnitude of either charge, and the distance between the two charges, center to center distance. So this is the mathematical formula to calculate dipole moment. Now as we know that this is a vector quantity, it should also have its direction. The direction of dipole moment is always from negative to positive charge. Is it clear? Negative to positive charge. Direction of P is always from negative to positive charge. SI unit of charge is coulomb,
Yes,
as
sir.
we all know, coulomb, and distance
Meter.
meter, coulomb meter. So coulomb meter is its SI unit.
It is combinedly named as.
Combined,
Yes, sir. It does not have any another kind of name combined.
if you know, you can tell me. Presently
I
I am
don't
not
know.
knowing.
मेरे को याद सा आ रहा है कुछ नहीं होता. कूलमीटर ही होता है क्या?
हाँ, coulomb meter. Okay. Now listen. Here two equal and opposite charges are being separated by a distance 2a. And from the previous lectures, we know that whenever there is a charge, it will produce its own electric field. We all know that. So here two charges will produce their own electric field. Okay. Suppose this is our dipole. This is our dipole, and suppose one charge is being placed at this end,
Divide.
and another charge is placed at this end, and distance between two charges is 2a.
Yes.
Now we can rotate this dipole in two ways, like this, and if we are rotating the dipole like this, then we are rotating on its own axis. Is it clear? And we can rotate dipole like this also. This also. In this form, it is rotating in its plane which is perpendicular to the axis of the dipole. That is called equatorial plane. And if you select any point on that equatorial plane, that point is known as equatorial point. Or we can say that any point which is perpendicular to its axis is called equatorial point, because equatorial plane is always perpendicular to its axis.
Sir,
So in this way,
Coulomb meter, in chemistry we used to define the dipole moment as well. The SI unit is used to be debye.
thereby
Debye.
might be. Presently I am not
क्या है?
going
आपको
to
याद आ रही है?
it might be. It might be. Okay, so at 2 points we can calculate its electric field. First point is along its axial point.
Yes.
Axial point, and second is along a point. Sir,
Right.
on its equatorial. Okay. Yes, Dheeraj, you want to say something? Any problem? At these 2 points we can calculate electric field. Okay. So first we will calculate the electric field along axial line.
अब रुक जाओगे ना